Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to order the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS support test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So after the recent software update, I'm getting plenty of comments on this software update, whether the 90 FPS got enabled in the Battlegrounds Mobile in the OnePlus Nord 2 or not. As you can see, this is the exact update which I have received on the August 13th. And after seeing the comments, I thought of making a video in terms of explaining. So let me try to exactly open the Battlegrounds Mobile application and let's see what is going on. And let me show you the couple of comments which I got right now on this OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, these are the comments which I'm getting. So as soon as I post any kind of videos on the update related videos, so the first comment I'll be getting always on the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS. So whether it's got enabled or not. So first let me try to go to the settings and show you exactly what is happening. And during this process, I'm not using any kind of config file, nothing at all. So let's see the default graphics. So right now you do have the smooth and extreme, so there is no 90 FPS option. So balanced, ultra HD, ultra HDR and ultra HD is not supported, as you can see friends, exactly. So definitely I think that it should come from the Battlegrounds Mobile, so to make this 90 FPS option available. So let's see what will happen. Maybe with the next update 1.6 we might get the 90 FPS. So a couple of other devices are also waiting for the 90 FPS to get supported. So at this moment there is no 90 FPS in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, unfortunately. So in case if you want to play with the 90 FPS, there's only one way of playing with the 90 FPS. I did upload a video on that particular topic, how you can actually play it. You need to install the config file and you need to install another third-party application to make it work exactly at 90 FPS. That's the only one way you can actually play it in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment with the 90 FPS. So till then you'll be able to play only with the 60 FPS at this moment. That's the one disadvantage at this point with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let's see friends whether it will be fixed with the next future updates in this phone or not. That's going to be really interesting. But at this moment we can only play with the smooth and extreme settings only at this moment. That's the one disadvantage here which we are having. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and see in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to follow me regularly, my playlist, which will be really helpful in case if you're planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2. You can definitely get a lot of videos in the single playlist in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.